Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of Learn With Me. I'm Dolly Prada. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it so it can help someone else. So today we are going to be working on our media kit as YouTubers. So I'm using WordPress, and if you are unfamiliar with WordPress, it is a web hosting site. I have my own personal website. It's called dollyprada.com. You can check it out if you'd like. I have tons of things on there in regards to YouTube marketing. Marketing as a small business tips, content creator tips, things like that. I have over 200K, so I am able to do a couple different things that some people may not be able to do, like shoppable content, and that is what I'm going to be shopping more of when it comes to brand deals this year. I'm going to be utilizing shoppable content anyway because the feature is there, so I might as well make it an add-on or make it a part of my packages when it comes to getting brand deals. So with this, I wanted to specifically show my analytics, my metrics. I'm very transparent. I don't mind. It does nothing to me. Okay. Like here, it's information. I would love for you to see this. I would love for you to not question things. So I put everything on one page. What I did, I go into the YouTube Studio app in my analytics and I screenshot every single bit of information. Any little thing that I think is necessary for the brand to know, any bit that I feel that they're going to want to see, question, figure out, calculate on their end, see if it's a return on investment, all that type of stuff. Okay. So I did everything. And then when I went into WordPress, I clicked the block for photos and I just added all those photos in. I didn't do photo and media, like media and text. I just did straight photo and added all of those in. I don't plan on putting any type of text underneath the pictures because it's kind of self-explanatory. It's like a bar graph. I just see like it shows you, So after importing all of those images and making sure everything is good, I went in and basically cleaned up my page, cleaned up my portfolio media kit page just to make sure that everything's kind of smooth. I might go back in and add like a bigger headers for each section so that they know, but for the most part I add it in a title that's bolded so they kind of know like this is a different section. What you're seeing now is me putting in contact. Now they have a block on there that says contact, but it was pretty ugly. I'm not gonna front. Like it just did not go with the design of what I was doing, which was simplicity. Okay. So I did do the buttons icon, which is just the social media icons. And you can go ahead and put in your Amazon storefront. They have their Etsy stores, just a regular link. If you just need to link like an outside portfolio, then you could just use this block and use the link to add in your portfolio. And hopefully like a brand would know that oh, click the link, or you could add some text underneath it that says click the link. We want this page to basically be a landing page for our brand deals. We want to have everything in one without it being overwhelming. We want everything easily accessible, in your face, in your eyes, and easily clickable. Okay. So the main thing that I'm doing when it comes to creating this site is every single time I do something, I'm going back and I'm clicking something to make sure that it goes to where I need it to go to. I want to make sure every single link is clickable. There's no broken links. There is also a plugin for WordPress that's called broken link checker. And I do have that installed, but I have to fix it. We should do a video about that, learning how to fix like all the plugins and stuff like that, because I'm not that great with that. But I do have that. I would recommend that because it does help you to know what links you have on your website that are broken, that don't go anywhere, that go to like, what is it, the 404 page. So that's very, very helpful actually. When I first started using my website and really started working on it, I had a lot of broken links and I did not realize how to make the links. Okay. In another video, I show you how to make an email signature so that when you send out your pitches, you can attach like your name and your media kit, your socials, that type of stuff along with your email. And in that video, that's helpful as well to show you how to set up your links. It's very important that these brands are going directly to where you're trying to lead them to. If they have to do any extra steps, that's going to cause them to honestly probably click away. My focus this year is really understanding the color of my skin when it comes to content creating and brand deals, and not like that, like seriously not like that, but like that, because I feel like when you waste your time on things that are not for you, that's when you get discouraged. And I don't want to get discouraged with this process because I truly enjoy what I do. I've been doing this for 15 years, so I continue to feel inspired with doing this, and I don't want something like brand deals like, hindering my creativity anymore. Like, I want to make sure that I'm aligning myself correctly with people, and so I just want to be completely transparent up front. That's exactly what I'm doing. So on my portfolio, I have tons of information, specifically Amazon campaigns. I do have a couple of examples about how I've cross promoted on YouTube as an additional platform. Now, as an Amazon influencer, I have an ability to create shoppable content just like I do on YouTube. And so I think that's a big plus. And I think that you're supposed to have 10,000 or 100,000 subscribers on YouTube to be able to do shoppable content. But do understand and stress to brands that YouTube is the second largest search engine aside from Google, and YouTube is owned by Google. So the best thing that they can do is get themselves on Shorts and like excel from there. But brands need to get on YouTube. So definitely make sure you subscribe for more videos about how to elevate your YouTube brand in 2025, because I'm a YouTuber. I love YouTube, and I'm specifically helping YouTubers and just anybody really that's a content creator and has abilities to reach out, is not afraid to reach out, and wants to just secure more brand deals in 2025. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead, make sure you check out my other videos learning with me, and you have a blessed day.